What up, Unbreakable Kicks? Wait a minute, what the hell? My bad. Wrong intro. From the top, Snipe Squad, we're going on, boy. I'm talking about on. Back again, it is your boy Sniper Joan, aka Sniper Joan. Today, we coming back with another banger on dog. Today, we about to go to the mall, about to cop these Yeezy. Down below in the comments, go ahead and comment Yeezy. The new Yeezy Sesames just dropped today on a Friday, and we gotta pick them up at 3 o'clock, or at least before 3 o'clock. But your boy Sniper Joan is running late, and it's already like 1:50, so I got like a little over an hour to go and pick these up. Now I ain't gonna hold you, the mall I hit from I really don't stay that close to, but I had a lot of stuff to do, so we ain't gonna waste no time. We gotta get up out of here, we gotta go get them shoes, and we gotta slide, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all cop that Sniper Jones merch coming out in December. Y'all see the Sniper Jones embroidered, you know what I'm saying? This is good material, this is where it's at, this cream of the crop. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you already haven't. We grinding, trying to hit that 10K before the end of the year. We so close. Let's make that happen. Also follow me on Instagram if you have not already. Follow me on the gram where I do dope pics, sneaker pics, fit pics, and I also give away steals on my story. Enough of all that, man. It's time to slide and ride. Let go. So we in the whip, man. Gotta make it all the way to South Lake Mall. I only got an hour. The Yeezys are giving up at 3 o'clock. I hate when they do Friday releases because it don't give me enough time to actually do what I gotta do. But the mall is like 30 minutes away. Hopefully they're not on Fugazi stuff and giving away pairs early, because sometimes they do give away your shoe before 3 o'clock. We gotta make it there. Let's get it. Gang. Forgot it's Black Friday, bro. This mall is jammed packed. Oh my God, look at this, bro. All right, y'all, we just now getting to the mall. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad. I got my wind protector on, but I never used it before, so I don't know if it's working. What I do know is it's cold as hell. And also I know that the mall is jam-packed. So, oh my goodness, bruh. I hate going into the mall when it's packed, bruh. I just hate it, especially when I'm vlogging. And it's not because I'm afraid to vlog in front of people. I don't care. Your boy Sniper Jones, I'm putting in that work on dog. The only thing is, like, I bump into people because I'm so busy looking at the camera like this right here, you know what I'm saying? This is my camera look. I can't really look around, and you know what I'm saying? I be bumping into people. And my camera huge. If you ever seen me vlogging, if I ever bumped into you vlogging, this camera is big. It's holiday time, man, so everybody up here at this mall, I'll see y'all when I get inside. So as y'all can see, man, the mall is jam-packed. I gotta go all the way to Foot Action, which is upstairs, and check out my pair. After that, we could probably check out the mall. Nah, scratch that, hell no, I ain't checking out the mall. There's too much going on today. I'm literally only coming here for my shoes, and I'm getting the hell up out of here. I haven't been to South Lake Mall in almost like 6 months, bro, so if they trying to stop me from vlogging, that ain't gonna work. That's on dog. I don't even know if they allow vlogging or not, but hey, we Snipe Squad, we do what we want, you know what I'm saying? Walking into Foot Action now, don't know if they allow you to vlog, so I ain't gonna go in hot. I'm gonna tuck it low key.
Well, I just gave you, never mind.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Hey, pick up secure, bro. That actually took a while though. That line was long as hell. I seen about 13 people buying Kyrie's. They must be throwing Kyrie's away for the low since the Celtics ass this year. How y'all lose to the Knicks? Anyways, man, I'm about to head back to the crib. I'm not trying to stay in the mall for too long because, to be honest, I don't really like huge crowds of people like that, dog.
A few moments later.
Alright, you know what? I lied. I can't leave the show without at least looking at Foot Locker. We just left Foot Action. For some reason, anytime I go to a mall and Champs, you know what I'm saying? So we just gonna check out a few of these stores just to see. So Foot Locker has the rookie Jordan 1s sitting in his joint. Like, this is supposed to be like the best Jordan 1 of the year when it comes to material. Y'all seen my review. I said material-wise, other than the no L's, these are the best Jordans of the year, and they sit in Jordan 1. So if these Yeezy sit, y'all can't say nothing. Zebra set, y'all can't say nothing because this is the one. This is the rookie of the year. Can't beat it. Snipe Squad, we lit. Matter of fact, hold on. I'm gonna redo this, but I'm gonna cue the intro music. Snipe Squad, we lit. Come on, man. Y'all see your boy Sniper Joan. We ain't taking no L, boy. That's on dog. I guaranteed y'all, if y'all go back to my older videos, I guaranteed y'all, I said I'm not missing no more Yeezys for the rest of the year. That's on dog. To this day, I haven't missed one yet. You hear me? 500s, 700s, 350. I gotta bring back these reviews for the squad, for the gang. Drop a like below this video if you're rocking with your boy, Sniper Jones. But that's enough of that. It's cold as hell. Let's get to the car. Oh shit. Whoa. Y'all, let me tell y'all how disappointed I am in myself. Here I am leaving the mall, you know what I'm saying? And I'm walking out the food court. And I find myself waiting in line for a Philly cheesesteak. Oh dog, what the hell is wrong with me? I got free food at the crib, boy. This Thanksgiving was just yesterday. I ain't too good for leftovers, you know what I'm saying? I can't believe I almost brung myself to that point where I'm buying food when it's turkey at the crib, ham at the crib, it's mac and cheese at the crib. Shitless, hams, yams, malls, potato, green, tomato, nato. Bro, something is wrong with me. Let's get the hell up out of here. Oh my goodness, man. We are back at the crib. How y'all living today, bro? I'm super duper tired, man. I am so damn tired. It don't make no sense. Y'all know how we rocking, man. After I go pick up anything I usually do, first look here in the studio, you know what I'm saying? The Yeezys are in hand, bro. And like I said at the mall, these were supposed to be limited. From everybody I talked to, these about, other YouTubers, guys that resell, the word was these were gonna be super, super limited, and I'm telling y'all, these were not limited at all. They might even be sitting, man. I'm not even gonna lie to you. If the zebras were sitting for a little bit, I think these can probably sit for a little bit. I don't know the exact numbers on how many pairs, but I should know. Anybody that tried to get y'all a pair, 9 times out of 10, I'm pretty sure y'all got them. Anyway, you didn't get your pairs if like you just didn't put in enough legwork, because if you wanted these, you really could have had them. I hit on Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champ Sports, and I even hit at Hibbett Sports. I only picked up one pair because I only wanted one pair. It's not really one to double up, you know what I'm saying? I'm just happy that I could pick mine up because I almost missed out, bro. I had to come through with that buzzer beater, bro. I almost missed out on my pair of shoes. I don't know why they do the release so early on a Friday. Like, why 3 o'clock? But y'all know your boy Sniper Jones ain't gonna have y'all come to the channel for no reason. So before we get into that first look, I want to talk to y'all about a giveaway that I got going on with my boy Slime315, man. Shout out to my guy Slime315. He's a very, very talented artist. Not only has he made me several paintings of Michael Jordan, whether it be Bart Simpson looking at the Jordan 3 Black Cements, which is my favorite Jordan of all time. He's made pictures for me. He's made pictures for T Ward. He's made pictures for Mike Rich. You name it, man. Dude is super, super talented. And what he gave me in my last video, you probably seen it, is this huge packaging. And he wanted me to be able to do a giveaway with you guys, man. So this video is not just a Yeezy pickup video, it is a giveaway, and I'm not sure what's in here to give away. So let's open this up together because it's only right we get the Snipe Squad right. Y'all been rocking with me for a while now, and I feel like the support is better now than ever. Like ever, man. Y'all light up the comment section, y'all show love, and I appreciate that, like real rap. You almost did. Alright, the first one open. You know what? We're just gonna open it up like this. Look how big this is. It's crazy. Alright, bet it up, bet it up, bet it up, bet it up. Is this it? Is there something else in there? Yup, it was a card. It was a card. So bet. First off, I'm gonna show y'all the card. I'm gonna see if there's anything on the back, and yep, there's something on the back. You know, that's what happens. www.canvasyourhome12th.com. So that is where you can probably pick up some of this because it's lit. Some of these dope paintings, man. I will link that down below in the description, and his card as well. Rashad Mustafa, artist, Canvas Your Home, and you know what I'm saying. Oh shit. And you know what I'm saying, that's how we rocking, you feel me? So what we have is another painting my guy Slime315 did for me. Thank you so much, bro. You know your boy Sniper Jones appreciate it. I don't know what this painting is, bro. I knew what the other two was because he showed me pictures before they sent, but this one I don't know, man. So let me see what we got going on. Yeah, I think I know what this is, bro. I think, and I do. This is nice. Hey, cuz, this is nice. This how you do it. You feel me? Ooh, wee, this definitely going straight up on the wall. The Colin Kaepernick Nike mural, bro. Look at that. Bro, this is fire, bro. fire. Man, this dude is incredible, man. Shout out to Slime315. I will link his channel down below in the description. This is definitely going up on the wall. Bro, thank you so much, man. Not only is this painting dope, the ones you do for everybody in the sneaker communities is dope, man. Keep up the great work. You're a beast, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. You're a beast. Now, for you guys, we do have giveaway prizes for you guys, man. And I'm gonna show y'all what those are. Not only does Slime does like paintings and stuff on canvases, but he also does them on t-shirts and stuff like that. So the first one we have is a Notorious B.I.G. t-shirt, man, which is hella dope. We all know Biggie is one of the most lyrical, baddest dudes on the mic other than your boy Sniper Jones. Cause I get down, you know what I'm saying? You know how I'm rocking. But we got Biggie right here, man, which is dope. And it's black and white and it got a hint of red. So it's easy to throw something with this, man. This is something easy to throw with a fit. You know what I'm saying? That's the first giveaway prize. The next giveaway prize we got from my boy Slime315 is another t-shirt of one of his paintings with your boy Goku on that joint, man. Or I don't know. I don't really watch Dragon Ball Z like that. I know y'all gonna be on me. It's a lot of anime guys out there. Me personally, only anime I ever watched was Boondocks, and people tell me that's not really anime. Anyways, man, I think this Goku, or is this like Vegeta or Goku? Piccolo? Hey man, we got a nice Dragon Ball Z shirt here, and if you want a chance to either win this shirt or the Biggie Smalls tee, all you have to do, we're gonna make this as simple as possible. Subscribe to my channel, follow Slime315. I will link his IG in the description, so you don't even have to go look for it. Just click the link. Also follow me on IG. I will link that in the description. You don't have to go look for it. Just click the link and comment done under this photo. After that, I'm gonna tally it up and choose the winner, and I'm gonna ship these out to y'all ASAP, man. So if you wanna know the sizings on these, the Goku, Vegeta, or the Dragon Ball Z. The Dragon Ball Z shirt is a medium, and the biggest small, that shirt is a extra large, man. So if you can fit a medium or extra large, all you have to do, once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, follow my boy Slime315, comment done under this photo, and I will see who the winner is after we all done tallying it up. Don't think I ain't gonna check, cause I'm gonna check. A lot of y'all be scheming, not subscribing, following people, and unfollowing people. It ain't happening, bro. Make sure you play by the rules. Your boy Snipe, I'm gonna do what it do. That's on dog. Woo! Now for the first look at these Yeezys, man. Let's get into it. Y'all know how we rocking, man. V2 season. I told y'all I'm not taking no more L's, and I haven't took an L yet. Let me knock on wood. It ain't wood, but it's gonna do. See what we got, and here are the first look of the Yeezy Sesame V2, you know what I'm saying? Hey, look, these, to me, this is like the Yeezy 1. Oxford tan joints remixed to a V2. That's the feel I get. I get this earthy type feel, this super cool and calm collected feel from these, and I love the dark bottom. And I think that this is a dope Yeezy. Now, I also think that there's gonna be a lot of these out there, so it might have a chance of sitting, but it's not sitting because it's trash. It's only sitting because it's a lot produced. And we see, man, because we still don't know at the end of the day. These are way better than I expected, because the pictures make these look white, almost like a beige, if you ever seen pictures of them. But it's actually very darker than I thought, and the offset of this back tab and the sole is really dope, man. Viewers coming soon, y'all already know that, man. If you have not hit the subscribe button already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Last but not least, comment down below if you cop these for a chance to be shouted out in my next video. A lot of y'all say y'all don't see yourself shouted out. You gotta wait to the end of the video, bro. That's when I show the love. Golly. December 1st, SneakerCon Houston, I will be in the building. Make sure y'all come out, man. Let's make it lit. I always say it's only one day, so I try to make it as lit as we possibly can. Jump in the vlog, kick it with me, man, and let's talk some sneakers. It's your boy Sniper Jones, and until next time, gang.